Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and do the next part of this, which is going to be the HMI. So I'm going to go here to my programs and I'm going to search for Factory Talk View Studio. It's going to start launching here, and I'm going to do a new view, new machine edition. Continue. Okay, and so this is going to take a little while to load up here, and so I'll pause the video until it's all set up. Okay, we're back here. We're going to do new, and my application name, I'm going to name it Dorito. And the reason I'm going to name it Dorito is because later on I'm going to try and search and find this file on the machine so that it will come back. There's a chance that it might save on the virtual machine in your drive space, but as you know before, it was hard you can't directly save this onto that. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click create, and this is going to take a little while so I can pause the video as well. Okay, so we have view loaded up here. So the first thing we're going to do is go to our enterprise here, and we're going to double click and run our communication setup. And let's see how this works. This might take just a little while to load up as well. We're going to create a new configuration. That sounds great. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add like we normally do. And this can be called simulation, I guess, or whatever your lab name is. And I'm going to come over here to my backplane right here, and I'm going to I need to add a new device because we're obviously not connecting via Ethernet. But you see right here is a ControlLogix emulator. So if I expand this, I need to scroll down to see where we're at. We're at revision 24. Where's that thing at? 24. RS Logic emulator major revision 24 is what I want, and I'm going to click OK. So that's fine. Slot 2 is where we were looking. Yeah, I'm okay. So I got the emulator, and now I can come down here and my point-to-point. It's not quite seeing it. Let's just see if this will take it. If I take this emulator here and I copy design to runtime, yes. And then I hit apply, yes. And then I click OK. So we should have been set up to do that now. So now let's just test it. We'll make a quick display right here, and we're going to go to our main, and we're going to go and put in a couple objects. Let's put in a momentary push button right here. Okay, and let's go to connections on that, and the tag would be, let's see if we got this going. Hang on, let me just check 1 second. I need to come back down to Studio 5000 and be sure that I am online. So yep, you do have to be online there. So I am online. Okay, let's go back to Factory Talk, and I'm going to tag this out, and let's see if it'll refresh all tags here. Come on, baby. And there's my system, there's my simulation, there's my online, there's my program, and what we're going to call this is HMI input. Okay, so there you go. So that's going to be the HMI input, and we're going to apply that. So it looks like it's found that. At this point, I should be able to go ahead and click my simulate button right there. Okay, so what I've got going here, assuming this is all good, I can minimize it. I can bring this down here, and if I click this button, hold it down because it's momentary, I'm getting my HMI in and my HMI out light.